If you want to shoot some cinematic content while riding the bike with your Insta360, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mount your Insta360 X4 in different places of your bike and create some cinematic shots. So let's get started. First, the most basic one. Just attach your Insta360 to the handlebar right in the middle. It's simple, quick and gives you great rider's perspective. Perfect for vlogging and shooting yourself with the surrounding. If you need the link of the handlebar mount I use, it's in the description. Next, you can mount your Insta360 using a super clamp on your bike's crash guard. This angle feels fast, almost like an F1 race car shot because it's so close to the road and it's moving parts of the bike. It really gives you the vibe of speed. Third, mount your Insta360 on your handlebar with the invisible stick. Then extend the stick so the camera is farther away from you. This creates an epic drone-like perspective without actually needing a drone. And speaking of drones, here's one of my most favorites. Mount your Insta360 at the back of your bike using a support point. I recommend having 2 points of contacts to your invisible stick. I use a super clamp for the first connection, then I rest the invisible stick on my bike's indicators. This double point of connection makes it stable and gives you a pure rear drone shot. So yeah, these are some creative ways to mount your Insta360 for shooting cinematic ride footage. If you like these ideas, a like, a subscribe would be really appreciated. And if you guys have any question, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, ta-da.